hopeful ka.
Bakit?
Feeling ko sa parallels din since like may lore sila in the past, ganon, before coming into PBB. Tapos, alam mo yun, ngayon parang it's not too difficult to come back to that. Ganon.
Meaning to say, in other words,
May chemistry
May
talaga
chemistry
sila.
lang.
Ganon. Yeah.
will ka, no? Number 2.
Number 2, hot take ba kung sasabihin kong Josh Lia?
Uy, pwede nating balikan yan. Joshua, ganda, no? Comeback yun pag nagkataon.
Feeling ko, they maintained at least what they could maintain pa out of the relationship. Parang it didn't break to the point of, you know, no returning whatsoever. Kaya ngayon they could still be civil around each other, ganyan. Still have a relationship kahit na tapos na yung originally romantic relationship.
Wala
Yeah.
na. Oh,
Yeah.
Wala na, nasabi ko. Kaya then, sino ba sa palagay mo yung nag-let go? Si Joshua ba o si Julia?
Julia, yeah.
Tama bang balikan ni Joshua yun? Kung sakali? Palagay mo?
Depende.
Ayoko! Ikaw na
So
lang.
yung last na number 1 is si Rain and?
Rain and Kai.
Ayan, bakit? Alala ko na.
Kahit hindi, I'm not sure if they're still active ngayon, pero the chemistry was really there. And I think, yeah, it would have been really marketable to continue their love team.